What's up guys, Lunatic Rider 209, just a quick video showing you that you can put your Airsoft Gen 3 Glock 19 into a Recover Tactical 2020 stabilizer. Fits just right, and it's a blast to shoot with. So let me finish tightening up this Allen screw and give you guys a quick look. So there you have it, an Airsoft Glock Gen 3 19 in a Recover 2020 tactical stabilizer. So I'll get some videos of me shooting it, guys. See ya. Let's put some holes through that target right there.
I've heard other people say, it lost me about an hour in and it was a little too long and blah blah. So I don't know. I haven't watched any of these. I have been in a sleep shack and I've just basically been eating and sleeping. I think this is like, you know.
Goes quick. Come check out.
In the mood for a charbroiled double cheeseburger for just $3.49? Have a BLT, the Carl's Jr. way. Crispy bacon, fresh lettuce and tomato.
Right here is where I was shooting. Right here. Watch out, buddy. Watch out, buddy. Right here is where I was shooting.
And you don't want the bullseye.
Here's my daughter shooting the Airsoft Glock 19 Gen 3 on the 2020 stabilizer from Recover Tactical. Yeah, go ahead. Let it rip.
Prostate, pancreatic, lymphoma, leukemia, testicular, and neuroendocrine. Then you should
keep going. Don't stop. Shoot all the bullets. Aim at your target.
Our experienced attorneys will fight to get you the compensation you deserve, and you pay nothing
keep going.
Unless you get a recovery in your favor. Time is limited to file a claim, so call us now